welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is two pair of the Nike Air Jordan 1 low white university red color. It's a woman size. So anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this for you guys to check them out. Some of the packaged two shoes in here with two of the box instead of shipping separately. I'm not sure, I guess they don't have the bigger box. So let's go ahead and open on this side. So let's go ahead and show you guys 360 view of the box real quick. You have the gold Jumpman on the top, on the lid. And this side is blank. Right here, you got the Jumpman Gold logo right here. There's a cutout opening right here on the lid. And again, this side is blank. And then on the bottom, you got all this gold Nike swoosh logo, swoosh, just do it, Jumpman. And then there's your black box logo sticker right there. And the box is made in China. And then there's your recycle logo right there. And then nothing else. Let's go ahead and focus on the size sticker label right here. So this one is the woman's Air Jordan 1 low. Retail price on this is original price is US $90. And this is size 9.5. It's a white university red white. And be sure to look at the barcode right there. And by the way, this pair, it is made in Vietnam. The box is made in China. So here's the barcode right there in case you guys want to find out or maybe do something to check. And you got the 23 right here. And then there's also a cutout opening right here on the top of the lid. So let's go ahead and unbox this and then I'll show you guys. So here's a stamp right there with the, I'm not sure it's a serial number. There's a lid. You got the 23 numbers on the paper right here. Wow, look at that. Very good, very good. And you got the red swoosh right there. And there's your Air Jordan wing logo right there on the back of the heel cup. It looks like a stitch in there with the raised up. And here's another swoosh logo. So there's a little bit of a glue right there. Come with the white lace. And then you got the 23 embroidery right there. There's also a Jumpman on top of your tongue right there. Don't think that that's the 3M reflective. But we're going to turn on the lights and then check it out later on. And this is a nice pair although the white pair tend to get dirty fast. There's your Nike with the swoosh logo right there. Very good, very good. Oh, very good. And then right here on the midsole, it is in white as well. Let's go and then take out the shoes tree and then turn on the lights and look at the inside. You got the white lace with the white tip. Okay. Let's go and then remove the shoes tree and then try to focus on the size label later on. There's your 纸 mean recycle paper. There's your German logo, your recycle symbol. And this is a range from 6.5 to size 8. And QF-AH. I'm not sure what that means, but and there you go. Alright, I'm going to turn on the flash because it is pretty dark in there. Alright, so the insole has a red Jumpman. And this one, you cannot remove the insole. It is glued in or glued down pretty tight. And then there's like a different material on the side wall. And on this side as well. Alright, so let's go ahead and focus on this. So US 9.5. And this pair, it is made in Vietnam. Okay. Let's go ahead and check out the other pair. Yeah, I got the same thing, Jumpman. Let's go ahead and check out the other pair. I'm not sure if it's the same size or different size. Alright, so it is exactly the same size. So I'm just going to open it up real quick, inspect it, and then that's about it. Wow, look at the shoes tree. Why is it coming out? Alright, so it is the same pair, so I'm not going to take it out. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. And like always, peace.